Hi guys, it's Beauty Between the Lines here in Chrissy Joy style. So we've teamed up to show you guys an easy how-to. So we all know that clip-ins are amazing. Chrissy Joy loves them, I love them, but the one problem that clip-ins have is that they don't stay clipped in. Before you know it, by the end of the night, they've slid down your entire hair shaft and you don't even really know what to do. So how do you solve that problem? How, Chrissy? How?
She knows.
Yes, I figured it out. We're going to show you guys how to get it done with one easy step and with two tools, one comb and one elastic rubber band. Stay tuned. So the secret to no slip clip-ins is a braid. So as you see here, I have the braid sort of kissing toward the middle, and this is just because I don't want any bulkiness on the ends of my hair. So if I do decide to pull it back in a ponytail, in a chignon, in a high bun, like none of the interference from the extra hair will be in the way. So I have two options here. The first option is a braid that goes from the side of the head toward the middle with it braided all the way toward the end. And I have the same thing happening on the other side, but instead of it being braided toward the end, there's an elastic rubber band here. And that's just because it's a preference thing. So you could have the braid that's going all the way through, or you can keep the hair loose. It just depends on what your preference is. Some people don't like elastic rubber bands and some people do, so it just depends on what you prefer. Also keep in mind that if you do keep this braided, you're not gonna see it inside the clip-ins unless your clip-ins are too thin, and even in that case, just add some more hair to your clip-in. So I'm going to show you guys how to secure the clip-in on once you've braided your hair down. And also keep in mind, keep the braid rather small and rather thin, and don't braid it too tightly because you are going to have the clip-in weighing down on the braid, so you don't want to cause any breakage in your hair. So this is our clip-in. So it has the 4 clips on there. I call this the hungry teeth. So you're going to apply the hungry teeth to the braid and you're going to clip it down. So I'll show you how. And voila! So we can tug, we can pull, and there's no slippage whatsoever.